Welcome to this YouTube video, where we will tackle a common problem that developers might encounter when working with TypeScript modules. The problem we are discussing today involves the behavior of global augmentation in TypeScript modules. Specifically, we have a package called core.error that contains two files, global.d.ts and index.ts. The global augmentation code in global.d.ts defines a new method on the error interface, while index.ts exports a function called doFoo that uses this new method. However, when importing only the doFoo function in another project, a runtime error occurs when trying to use the newly added method on the error interface. Let's dive into the solution for this problem. In the provided solution, the key to resolving this issue lies in ensuring that the imported module is not elided by TypeScript due to being perceived as unused. By explicitly mentioning the doFoo import somewhere in the code, TypeScript will recognize it as having side effects and include it in the compiled JavaScript. This prevents the runtime error from occurring when invoking the new method on the error interface. By including a reference to doFoo in the code, such as doFoo, somewhere after the import statement, we signal to TypeScript that this import is essential for the side effects it brings. To sum up, we have explored a solution to the problem of global augmentation behavior in TypeScript modules, ensuring that imported modules with side effects are not elided by TypeScript. By explicitly referencing the imported function in the code, we prevent runtime errors and enable the proper execution of the module's functionality. I hope you found this information helpful in understanding and fixing similar issues in your TypeScript projects. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!